Good morning. So it is Saturday, August 6th, I think. And I think it's about 8 o'clock in the morning. I actually just got up a few minutes ago, just kind of chilling in my bed. But I got to get up. So I figured I'd take you guys with me today. Don't know how much I'll actually be able to record today. I don't know. I got some stuff I need to do since I've been on vacation for the last few days, and that vlog I need to edit as well. So I got some editing I need to do. I'm probably gonna make candles today, and I am going to my high school picnic for a little bit, and then me and my cousins are gonna hang out. So I thought today would be a good opportunity to bring you guys along with me, just for another day in the life. So yeah, I'm about to get up out of this bed. I do need to run to the store because how come we ain't got no more tissue left? How you run out of tissue? I don't know. But I gotta run to the store, probably get coffee, and then I'll be back here.
Hey, I'm at my high
Break
school.
that down a little bit. Let me put some more blue in there.
Okay. Over here in Center Park.
Cherry, strawberry, watermelon.
Cherry, please. Hey, I'm at my high school.
This is so cute.
Lately, my thoughts got me distant. Darker days filling up darker minds. Stuck in this room that keeps spinning. Wondering how you been, where you hide. Late night drinking, wishful thinking. What if you were here? Morning waking, heart still aching.
Hey y'all, this place was really nice. The food was really good. Surprisingly to me, it just looked mediocre, but it was actually really good. We did get these spicy chicken sandwiches, and they came with 2 patties on it. I only ate it with one and gave my cousin the other patty. That was too much food. I had the spicy chicken sandwich, and I had this like crab dip stuff, and at first I was completely turned off because it just looked oily to me. And then it's like with regular like home cooked chips, I really didn't give it a chance, but then I decided to try it, and it was actually delicious. Yeah, it's been a very long day, but I'm finally on my way home. But as you can see, it's 2:47 in the morning, and I am stuck in traffic, and that was because it was an accident. So I made it home about 3:15. Good morning, you guys. So it is officially the next day. So today is Sunday. Yesterday I did end up going to the picnic and then hanging out with my cousins. So that was good. You'll see that stuff in the clips before this, but right now I gotta get back to my to-do list from yesterday. So let me open this. And I left my little stand, so I'm holding this phone, but it is what it is. Alright, so yesterday I needed to run to the store and get tissue, which I actually did. Wash and unpack, I did that. I unpacked this morning, the clothes are in the washer, so that's done. Clean up my room, kitchen, and living room, I did that this morning. I need to make candles, I need to edit, I need to finish my planner, and then I need to work on my website a little bit. So I'm gonna do that stuff now. I did just mop the kitchen floor, so I'm not gonna do the candles yet. I'm gonna wait till that dries. So I'm gonna do some editing, get a couple of videos edited. I'm gonna try to, and then we're gonna work on candles. Okay, you guys, so editing is one of those things that I'm really trying to get better at. For me, it's hard because I have a house full of people. Well, it's me, my boyfriend, my 2 kids, and my dog. So this is an all-day process for me. So I'm just trying to find little shortcuts and things like that to make things go faster. And I learned that you can actually pull stuff from the cloud. I don't know what I was doing, but I finally got it. So I'm just going to finish editing. Okay, y'all, so I'm not done editing yet, but I'm a little hungry, so I'm about to make some... Nova, stop it. I'm about to make us some chicken Phillies real quick, and I'm gonna just show y'all the process. I ain't really gonna talk too much. I'm gonna just show y'all. I'm gonna just show y'all real quick what I do so I can get back to my editing, okay? Okay, so for this, I really just got some boneless, skinless chicken thighs. I just feel like that make it a little bit more tender, a little bit more juicy. Some mushrooms. I'm gonna use this habanero jack cheese on mine, and I'm gonna just use regular mozzarella on his. And we got some French rolls, of course. And so I'm gonna wash the chicken and cut it. I don't know if I'm gonna cut it and then cook it or whatever. I don't know, but this is what I'm using. I will use a little bit of mayonnaise on the bread at the end, but that's pretty much all I'm gonna use. Yes, I did scoop the whole pile of meat on there, y'all. This turned out to be so freaking good. Y'all know I needed my hot peppers because I'm a spice head, but this was delicious. Okay, you guys, so it is finally time to make candles. I wasn't going to because I'm just not feeling good. I'm just not feeling it right now, but the show must go on. Whether we like it or not, you got to keep going, okay? So I'm going to make these candles, and tonight I'm going to make 8 of them. So I'm going to show you my process of how I'm doing it. Okay, so as I've mentioned in previous videos, I have decided to start a candle and journal business, and I'm testing out new wicks. These are not the jars that I use, but this is what I tested in. Okay, so now that I got my jars prepared, I'm just going to go ahead and measure everything out. And I do measure my wax inside of my pouring pot as of right now. And I do use soy wax. I'm going to do a different video, a more in-depth video, but I'm just giving you the gist of what I do. This pot had too much water in it, but I'm just going to use the double boiler method just to melt down this wax. As you can see, this is a time lapse of it. I thought it was kind of cool to give to you guys, so here you go.
Wishful thinking, what if you were...
Okay, so I'm just using this little tin top to measure out my fragrance oil. Because I'm just doing a little sample, I really only needed a little bit anyway. Okay, and then once the wax has cooled down to the right temperature, which is, I think I poured in a 185. I'm just going to put that fragrance oil in there, and then I'm going to stir it for 2 minutes. And after I stirred it for the full 2 minutes, I let it cool down to 135 degrees, and then I'm just going to pour it into these test jars. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this busy vlog, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!